What is up, you guys? I know it's been a minute. I just wasn't feeling the filming during the holiday season, and my plan was to have a video to post like on January 1st and like be one of those YouTubers that's like, ah, Happy New Year. I tried. But time and energy and Libby, if you knock over this camera stand, I'll beat you. Look you. Anyways, time and energy just like wasn't adding up to equal video on January 1st. So here we are. It's January 3rd. And we're gonna film an unboxing. The best cooking device on the planet. Oh god, it's heavy. It is an air fryer, slow cooker, pressure cooker, steamer. You can bake things. I can make anything. It says I could cook a whole 5-pound chicken in here in as little as 30 minutes. Dude, oh my god. I'm so excited. A little manual. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. This thing is huge. Holy shit, I did not realize this thing was this big. Holy. She thick. Oh my god. Whoa. This is crazy. So many things. Dude, I'm a real adult. Oh. Baby. What's this one do? Whoa, I'm gonna have to read the manual for real, for real. Whoa, this is crazy. Here's the main, holy shit, this thing is big. This is the main dish part. Closes. Whoa, this is nuts. So this is the most like intense contraption, cooking device, death trap. So this is for the slow cooker lid, or like the whatever. Whoa, this is freaking nuts, y'all. Whoa. Another rack. Oh, I don't know what you would do with this, but okay. More racks. I'm definitely gonna have to read the damn manual. Apparently you take this whole lid off and you can change it to the pressure cooker lid. Peel here. Wait, does this just go on over it? No. I gotta take this one off. Rotate. Alright, where's the manual? Okay, so the top lid doesn't even come off. It just do this. Basically. I can steam broccoli in here. Finally I can make rice. I can make rice in 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Make mashed potatoes in 6 minutes? Wowza. So cool. Oh my god, this is the coolest thing ever. This guy also came with a whole ass recipe book. Like, I just saw tacos. Carnitas tacos. Oh my god. Oh my god, buffalo cauliflower bites. Bitch. It's over. I need to go grocery shopping now. I'm so excited. Okay, what else? What's this? The manual. This is looking at other accessories. I gotta buy me some accessories. You can bake in this. Like, I could bake a cake. I can use this to bake a cake. Excuse me? What? Or like banana bread. I think you can make banana bread in this thing if you have like the special pan. Bruh, this is an epic. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Yes. I'm a real adult. Is styrofoam recyclable? Hey Siri, is styrofoam recyclable?
According to Nick.gov, styrofoam is not recyclable, and it doesn't matter how many times that plastic and styrofoam industries claim otherwise.
Huh. What is this? What does this say?
A few moments later.
So don't try and recycle your styrofoam with food in it, you dumb bitches. Just only the clean stuff like this. This is recyclable. Wow! Alright. This is fucking sick. Well, that was that. Little unboxing. Stay tuned for like cooking videos in this bitch. Honestly, let me know like I can make anything in this, bro. They got recipes for days. Chili and cornbread casserole, French onion soup, Philly cheesesteak casserole. I can make a crunch wrap in this bitch. Who's coming over to make crunch wraps in the air fryer? Who's coming over? Let me know in the comments if any of those recipes I said sounds good and like you want to see me make it in this thing. Cause honestly, I'm freaking stoked and I cannot wait to... Hey, children! I'm filming here! Anyways, I cannot wait to use this bitch. And to be honest, I'm probably gonna use it tomorrow. Bye you guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Please do all the things. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm at 80 subscribers. I want to get to 100 by the end of January. That's the goal. So yeah, please, if you like my videos, share it with your friends, share it on your fucking Facebook page, like it, comment, even if you just comment a fucking emoji, like comment your favorite emoji down below if you got all the way to the end of this video, and if you love me, please comment your favorite emoji down there. I'm trying to fucking boost my shit. None of my videos have comments. I have one video with a comment, like, hello, friends. I need you to be commenting, even an emoji. Let me show y'all this fuckery. All of my cabinets are like this. Where the frick am I supposed to put this thing? Now it has to sit on the counter. This is gonna look fucking gaudy on the counter. I'm gonna look like I'm trying to flex on everybody. I mean, low-key I am, but just my luck. It wouldn't be Missy's life if everything went smoothly when she finally got the cooking device she's been wanting for a year. Why would it fit in the cabinets? Why would it do that? No. That doesn't happen in the life of Missy. Things don't just like all align correctly. That never happens. So, guess this bitch is hanging out on the counter because there's literally nowhere else I can put it. I'm like looking around on top of the fridge. I'm gonna have to get like a little shelf for my kitchen and put it on that or something. Fucking A, dude. That's so irritating.